Welcome to dividing fractions and modeling. We're going to work on dividing fractions and mixed numbers and modeling fraction division. To divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse. So we learned about the multiplicative inverse last video. So we take 1/2, that's our keep. We change the sign from division to multiplication, and then we flip 1/4 to make the multiplicative inverse 4/1. And then we multiply straight across, just like when we multiplied fractions on the last day. So 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and then we reduce. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, Walker collected 1/2 pound of strawberries. He has to divide them equally among 5 wooden baskets. How many pounds of strawberries did Walker put in each basket? So we have 1/2 that has to be divided by 5. So let's look how we model that first. So the shaded area is 1/2, and then we're going to split that up into 5 sections. So we'll pretend that these are equal sections. So if I divide 1/2 up into 5 sections, what is each section? If I count each section, so I just want to count one of these to figure out how big that is. That gives me 1, and I have a total of 10 sections in my whole. Now let's do it by using the keep, change, flip method. So I have 5/1 because I can always put a whole number over 1. I'm going to keep the 1/2, change the sign to multiplication, and flip or use the multiplicative inverse of 5/1, which is 1/5. Now I multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10, 1/10. Paul took 1 1/2 pounds of grapes from his fridge. He wanted to give each friend 1/4 of a pound of grapes. How many friends can he give grapes to? So I'm going to take 1 1/2, and we're going to divide it into 1/4 sections. So my shaded area is 1 1/2. I want to give each friend 1/4. So I need to split my wholes up into 1/4 sections. And then I can count how many sections I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So he can give 6 friends. Let's try it using keep, change, flip. First thing I need to do is change my mixed number. So I have to do 1 times 2 plus 1, which is 3/2. I change my sign, and then I flip or find the multiplicative inverse of 1/4. I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Find the quotient and express in simplest form. So quotient means division. So I can see this is division of fractions. So I'm going to take 3/4, that's my keep, change to multiplication, and then I flip 3/2. Multiply straight across, and I have 9/8. So 1/4 divided by 5. 1/4 is my keep. I change my sign to multiplication. I remember a whole number is 5/1, and then I flip it so it's 1/5. Multiply straight across, and I get 1/20. We have a mixed number, so we're going to take 2 and 1/4 and divide it by 1/6. I do 2 times 4, which is 8. I add 1, which is 9. Put it all back over 4. Change my sign and flip my 1/6 to 6/1. Multiply straight across. 54/4. I need to reduce that. I see they're both even, so I can divide them both by 2. And I have 27 seconds. Okay, you try it. Make sure to put the answer on your notes as well as in the computer.